Well, folks, it's hotter than blue blazes out here, but we got to get this porch painted. We got to get these shutters off the wall. We're bound and determined to get this thing looking brand new again. We're two old people. It's rough on us, but we're going to get in here and get her done. Y'all come along, we'll show you a transformation from bad to beautiful. It is. I got the ladder.
Not quite as heavy. Almost, not quite.
Well, folks, we're going to get started getting these shutters down where we can get them painted so we can pressure wash the house. The boss here, she decided she's going to get up there and take them down, or this one anyway. So I've got to hold the ladder.
Don't tell me this battery's.
I got one charged if Patton's dead.
I gotta come down.
All right, I got you. I got the ladder. We can get the other one from the ground. We got one of them old catbirds, mockingbird, whatever you want to call it. Out here got a nest. That thing, I'm telling you, all it does is sing. Don't you hold that and them two screws.
Okay.
Let me get this out of here. All right.
Lucky Mom, he's been wanting to come outside too.
Try it. All right, Kevin. Well, wait a minute.
Strip.
Wait a minute. Don't strip it no more. Let me have it.
All right. Get my fingers out there. All right,
Oh, this. I got the thing.
If it falls on your head.
Thing.
All right. Get a brain concussion.
I've got a briar in my butt. About pulling my pants down. All right.
Now let's see how we're going.
Let me see that pen. Give me the ink pen.
Mark it C1.
The problem is I can't see. I can't see with them. I can't see without them. So there. Next pair of glasses I get, if they won't know if I want this 10 in them, I don't know what I'm liable to do or say.
Well, you didn't know if you'd like it or not. That's the first time you've ever had them.
Yeah. Well, hold this up. Maybe I'm getting out of this without getting hit in the head. Wonderful, I got it. Yeah. Yeah. Hope y'all got some laughs out of that. Well, folks, I got it all pressure washed now. One end in this front. I still like one end in the back. But I've run out of steam for today. It don't take long with us old people. But anyway, I got what I wanted to do done. We can start painting now and start getting the rest of it done. Here.
I need some high.
Yeah.
I'll go get my hair.
Huh?
I'll go get mine. Yours is too big.
Well, let me sit down and rest for just a minute.
That ramp over there.
Yeah, I heard you. That's good.
I think the nails are getting rotten.
Yeah. Son, everything gets rotten long enough time goes by.
Mama knows.
That's the first time them shutters ours ever seen a piece of sandpaper. You know, I got up this morning, I said, we'll get them shutters off here, get them out here, get them painted. We'll pressure wash the front of the house. We'll be done with this thing in a day or so. Yeah, right. Yeah, but we can't get, or I can't keep going. I can do so much, and that's it. What do you want, Fuzzy? Yeah, I know you ain't gonna help. I tell you what, I'm probably gonna need. I need that screwdriver around yonder and that pry bar. All right. I reckon nothing's all right. We keep on, we'll have every tool in the toolbox out here. It's whatever it takes, right, honey? Yeah, I think it will, don't you?
Don't make the siding look funny.
Well, that's what I was thinking. We'll paint one and take it around there.
See what it looks like.
Yeah. That paint's going on good. That's what I was hoping for. It's a sealer too, see? Folks, I got my professional painter up here. She knows what she's doing. And I'm going to let her do it. Till she makes me start painting it, I might. But she likes doing it, so. Yeah, speak up, honey.
This is my favorite thing to do.
There you go. I ain't touched the paintbrush and done got paint on me. That's how I am. Think one coat's gonna do it? Well, I hope so. We'll probably get that painted. I'll let you take a break, and then when they let them dry, then we'll come out here and see about it. We'll hook them up in there. I'll put one screw in the wall if I have to, and we'll see what it looks like before we go any further. Ooh, let's get the painting. Oh, man. I got no tape down through there yet. No. I done messed up already. I ain't messed up, but I've got to.
You can still get paint on it regardless of how much tape you got. I'm proof of that.
Well, folks, we're starting to get there. It must be 100 out here. Glenda's finishing up in here. She's got that wind blowing. She got the wind blown look. We both look like we've been dragged through
I got the witchy people.
Yeah. It's rough on some old people, but we're getting there. I guarantee you we're gonna get there. We about got all this. We're gonna have to go get some more paint. I miscalculated on the paint deal, so I don't know. We'll get there. You got a new paint jug. I'm gonna turn around the other way.
That's all. Now this right here, you can do with this real easy, but not against where that white is and that trim up there. It'll have to be done with a brush.
Yeah, folks, that's what it looks like before.
No, it looks so bad.
Yeah.
And the porch is full, runneth over.
Yeah. It's looking rough.
We're gonna get it fixed.
It's fixing to look better.
It just quit raining. You wanna use a brush or you wanna use this? We need to get this in place. Dry.
Oh, I'm gonna use both probably.
This.
Use that big one there. Get a little more paint in.
I'll let her get off and I'll go take her down there and I'll be back. Oh,
That is. I tell you, just getting set up to do stuff is a job in itself. Maybe I got it where I can roll on. That ain't gonna get it. That ain't gonna get it. Tell you, y'all ain't gonna want to sit here and watch me all day. I'll get back with you when we. All right, folks, I'm back here. We got the outside finally painted. There's those shutters. This is the front of the house. This is our screened-in porch. Glenda's over there doing a little bit of it. Come on around this side over here. We got it done. It's looking pretty good. There's that door she said I couldn't fix. I fixed it good enough she went ahead and painted it. It's worked out pretty good. Working good is one of them you go over and pay $125 for. Well, good morning, folks. We outside working. I tell you, two old people just rough on us. But we've got all our painting done. But we're gonna paint this porch. I'm gonna give you a video of it and let you see what it looks like. Got to get it cleaned off good first. But it's just bare concrete where this broom swept it. And this whole porch. Got to get all this out of the way. We had a little crack down in the concrete there, and we repaired that, waiting on it to dry. And but we're gonna paint this thing all the way out. We gotta. It's not the color of the siding, but it's in between. You know, a little bit. Is it lighter, honey, or darker?
It'll be a little bit lighter.
A little bit lighter, she said. But anyway, we're gonna get it painted. We'll show that to you. We're getting there. It's just taking us a while. But anyway, I'll be back. Well, good morning, folks. I want to give y'all a little look at this after we got this porch painted. Boy, it looks so much better. But I'll hang on just a minute and I'll go down through here and show it to you. There's a long shot of it. Got a shadow on it right now, but you can see that front. You can't even see where that crack was at now. We got that took care of. But man, it looks so much better. It's beautiful. I tell you, we're getting too old to do all this, so it's rough on us. Well, folks, we finally got this thing painted. Hope y'all See, I think I've done showed it, but I'll show it again. But I wanted to get on here and just let y'all know how much I appreciate you watching the videos and hanging with us on this job right here. This is a real life deal here. We didn't have to make content, but we did have to do the paint. So we thought we'd do both. But I really appreciate y'all watching our videos and coming along with us on this old venture. We're just two old people trying to survive, and all this is real. We got to do all this stuff ourselves. You know, we get a little help every once in a while, but most of the time we do it ourselves. But I just wanted to thank y'all for watching our videos. And if you hadn't, I wish you'd subscribe. Just hit that button. It don't cost nothing. And maybe share it with some of your friends or something. And just to help us out a little bit. And we love all your comments, and anything you want to comment on this video or whatever, we'd appreciate it. We like reading the comments, and we like answering them and all that. But we appreciate y'all. Thank you so much for coming along on this video. And as always, God loves you, and we love you. And y'all have a great and wonderful day, and we'll see you on the next one. Later.